Now, looking at Publish under the Naviate Accelerate tab, what we can do is set up our settings for what we want to do when we publish our documents. So for a particular contractor, you might have to publish everything. So that includes IFCs, PDFs, DWGs, and the printable. Now, for certain collaboration, you might just need to print and produce a DWG. These are settings that we can create ourselves by going to Save As, and then we can specify what exactly is in there. So if it's just purely an IFC setting that we want to do, then we can go ahead and just remove all of these items, and we can just say that we only want to export an IFC. But if I go to another place, then yes, I just want to save my settings there, then we can see that we've got print and export DWG. This saves us from going in every time when we try to publish something and going to publish a DWG separate from publishing your NWCs, from publishing your PDFs, etc. This is allowing us to publish all of the information that we want in the different formats that is needed.